Okay, we're gonna do an unboxing of the new YT, what kind of bike? Decoy Shred. New e-bike. Electric mountain bike. All right. Okay, this is Maverick. We're going to unbox it. Go.
I'm Gracie.
Okay, go. Unbox it. Gently, gently. You're probably the most exciting part for you. Playing in the box. Oh, Mav's got the tools. All right, Mav, what do you got there? Those are the tools. Okay. Oh, cool. They're all numbered. Manuals, tools, technical. Okay, you open that up. We've got tire, handlebars. We've got a seat.
Dad, he actually pulled it out.
Oh, cool little pull-out tray. Manuals. We got tools. We got technical. All right, all right.
Oh, these are instructions.
Instructions, nice. Okay, so read first and then unpack. We'll just do a quick, okay. Yep, got it. Oh yeah, pretty simple. Pictures, I like pictures. A stand, it's actually standing on its own right out of the box. Comes with these fancy little, oh, it's just where the shaft is going. Sweet, it's all stable. I was wondering if I was gonna have to do it upside down or. All right, that's a good looking tire. This is pretty much my dream bike, and it's very exciting.
And you can pop the bubble.
I'm moving to the future. We're going electric, boys. We're going electric. It says keep the box for traveling and if you want to repack it, but I guess we're not using that box again, are we, boys?
On my mountain bike buddies is the new YT Decoy Shred. I'm going electric, boys. It's the future.
All right, it's built. Pretty much took an hour and a half to build it, but super impressed with the parts, super impressed with the instructions. It's just charging now. Gotta adjust the suspension. That's pretty much good to go. It's got a little sweet little charging kit here. Off button, on button. Gonna take it over to my buddy Corey's tonight. Let him tweak it for me. He's another YT guy, but comes with all the lights. Comes with this little bad boy. Comes with its own little sweet little torque wrench with all the tools you need. Lights, Allen key. Comes with air shock, pump. I'm pretty handy, but not a bike mechanic. It's pretty easy. It's charging up now, and we'll take it for a rip. It's a beautiful snowy morning. And we're going biking. What the? First day on the new whip. Corey's taking me up.